Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be more of a fun video. I haven't done like a challenge video in a very long time, but this one was it just looked so fun. I actually saw Tina Young doing a video like this, and then I researched and found quite a few other videos on YouTube. It is just so fun. It's basically doing a full face using only foundations. And foundation's one of my favorite makeup products, to be honest. I just love it. It transforms everything. So I thought I would give myself the little challenge and try it myself. And yeah, I really like how it turned out, given that I could only use foundations. The only thing that I didn't use foundation on were my lashes, because I just was like, it's gonna be a hot mess if I try to use foundation on my lashes. You know what I mean? Everything else you see on my face is using foundations. I hope you guys enjoy this challenge video, and of course I challenge you to try this because it was super fun. So if you do, send me your video so I can check them out too. Yeah, let's get started. For my base, I'm gonna go in with the foundation that I already know I love. This is the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation in 25. I have so many breakouts today, so I need this foundation to work its magic. Okay, now to conceal, I'm gonna use a different foundation. This is the Nars foundation. This is the new one that they just came out with, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Santa Fe. And again, with the Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes and then the center of my face so that it highlights and conceals at the same time. I'm gonna apply a little bit of powder around the pores and under the eyes just to set the foundation in place. To contour my face, I'm gonna go in with the same foundation I used for my base, and this is the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation in 30. So this isn't as dark as I wanted it to be. I think it looks really pretty because you can still see a difference, so I'll leave this, but maybe I'll deepen the hollows a little bit more with a darker shade, but let's just see how this goes. I think this would be really pretty for the forehead and the jawline. Now I'm gonna go into a really dark shade because I wanna start contouring the crease over here. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade R530. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. This is the MAC 224. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure the outer corners and the edges are nicely blended. I'm just gradually building this so that it's a little more intense. And I think if you're gonna try this at home, I think, ooh, what is that on my nose? Again, if you are gonna try this at home, I would definitely recommend using a thicker, like maybe even a stick or cream based product on your eyes, because I feel like the liquid is definitely a little bit harder to blend. I think it's really pretty and subtle. I love it. It doesn't really look obvious that I have foundation on, so I'm gonna go with it. So I'm blending it really well so that it kind of just blends and dilutes the product a little bit. So I'm not putting too much liquid at once. I'm just kind of blending a lot of the product off and then applying it. All right, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on my bottom lash line using a pencil brush. And then just apply it from the outer corners, just like I would with like an eyeshadow or an eye pencil. Okay, I am so nervous about my brows because, you know, foundations are typically very warm and my brows are definitely more on the gray taupey side. So I feel like that's probably the one thing that is gonna be a bit obvious. So let's just give it a go. This is the darkest foundation that I could find. This is the BH Cosmetics liquid foundation and it's in the shade Deep Espresso. Let's give it a go. Yeah, it's definitely obvious, but let's just see how we can blend it in. Oh my god, so funny. Oh my god, this looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna give up on the brows because it's just like not cute, but this is as close as I can get. I feel like I need a little more color on my cheeks. So let's see what I can use. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Dior number 30 with a tad bit of this Makeup Forever in 535, just about that much. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna pop this just on the apples of my cheeks. You gotta be careful because it could look very muddy if you are applying too much product, so you have to really be careful and then kind of go back and blend if you feel like it's getting a bit out of control. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara because I mean, I can't really do much with my lashes. I'm not sure if this is considered cheating, but I have to apply mascara because I mean, I don't see how I can use foundation on my lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I wanna actually go all out and try the darkest shade. So I'm gonna go in with the same BH Cosmetics foundation, and I'm just gonna use a brush and get this all over. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm probably gonna eat a lot of foundation today, but. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is add a winged liner on the outer corners using the same color again and using an angled brush. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more challenge videos from me, and if you do, let me know which challenge you'd want me to take on. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.